हेलो सर, माय नेम इज़ प्रथम। सो सर, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क वन और टू क्वेश्चंस आज के इवेंट के बारे में। तो मेरा सर पहला क्वेश्चन ये था कि आपकी आज की मेन मोटिवेशन क्या थी ये इवेंट अटेंड करने की, एंड आपने मेन आपकी इंस्पिरेशन और मोटिवेशन इसके लिए क्या रही है?
As far as motivation part is concerned, I was approached by Puneet
यस,
if I could give the opening remark
राइट,
as a distinguished guest. And it's really an honor and privilege because I worked for 40 years in this field, starting from my research days to my entire career.
सो यू हैव बीन
And
ऑलवेज मोटिवेटेड अबाउट ग्रीन एनर्जी
yeah,
एंड
so
सेविंग द
naturally,
एनवायरनमेंट।
if such type of events
Yes.
are there, it's an opportunity to interact with a number of experts
राइट,
and then to share your own experiences basically among the August gathering.
राइट सर, राइट।
So that's the motivation basically. I accepted the invitation.
Okay.
And I
So,
came
sir,
here.
during the whole event, there were a number of keynote speakers and a lot of we saw presentations also. तो सबसे important aspect आपको कौन सा लगा आज के event में जो कि was very exciting?
See, one of the exciting features of this conference was a multidimensional thing. But it's not. It did not cover only one aspect of renewable energy. It covered up oil, coal. Then there are certain technologies like the tracking.
Right.
The aspect which was not
Electric vehicles also.
practically
Yes.
being looked after by number of researchers.
Right.
So one of the key thing which I could take from here is that there is a technology which has been developed by one young entrepreneur,
Right.
and he is successful. He has patented it, and perhaps if this could be implemented at field level,
Right.
we will definitely have a greater impact actually, because
Yeah.
within a small area or the larger less area, as he himself has mentioned that for about 5 acre per megawatt sort
Yes,
of thing,
yes.
it could be 50%. Even if not 50%, even 60 or 70%, that's a tremendous
Huge number. Yes.
leeway actually.
Yes. Right.
Okay, so that's the one aspect. The second aspect was of course the presentation given by Deep Saxena
Yes.
on EV.
Right.
It would have been better actually if some more time would have been given
in the
for
explanation,
this.
yes.
Not explanation, at least there should be
Yes.
more time for question and answer session.
Yeah, actually,
Of course,
yes,
I
for the brainstorming,
to
right?
some extent, because I was given only 10 minutes.
Right.
And that was the opening remark, so naturally I could not cover whatever I could have done during that
Right.
period. That's definitely a sort of regret I should say,
Okay.
personal level. But as far as takeaway and refreshing myself, it's a good event actually,
No
and
problem.
well organized event by the organizers.
For sure, so next time we'll make sure that there will be brainstorming sessions and more detailed explanation, or just a discussion, so that people can easily adapt more things, and maybe get to know more about one certain topic जो कि एक certain time में couldn't be completed. Thank you so much, sir,
Thanks.
for coming.